Hey everyone, this is Alex or PolymomoTea, and today I have a video showing how to make these DIY hand-painted Fall Guys charms out of polymer clay, acrylic paint, and UV resin. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I made 16 different varieties, so I hope you guys enjoy. For the template, we're going to take some scrap clay, and as you can see it's serious scrap clay, and I'm making it into a flattened pear shape. And I'm going to take a ball of clay and roll it into a cylinder and cut off the two ends, and these will be the little feet which we'll place on the bottom of our template. For the arms, we're going to take a ball of clay and roll it into a teardrop shape and cut off one side of it, and we're going to place that on the sides of our body. Then once baked, we're going to make our template. So I'm placing it onto a piece of tape and I'm putting a little roll, and this is a little washi tape roll. And I'm gonna place the silicone mold maker into our little mold, and after it cures we're gonna take it out, and we have our very own Fall Guys mold that we can reuse over and over again. So I'm gonna place some more scrap clay and put it into our mold, scrape off the excess, and then demold it. And I repeated this 15 more times, so we have 16 Fall Guys bodies total. And next I'm going to place an eye pin into each one, and we're going to bake it with the eye pin inside. Once it has cooled from being baked, we're going to remove the eye pins, place on some super glue onto the eye pin, and screw it back on. The next step is to add a layer of white paint, and this is just to cover up our little scrap clay. And I did multiple layers, but here are the 16 white Fall Guys. And for the fun part, all we're gonna do is paint. So I'm gonna stop narrating at this point because it is just me painting, and I didn't do any crazy techniques or anything like that. I'm not a great painter either, so I can't even really say any cool instructions. So I hope you guys enjoy. And I'm back. This is the final Falls Guys character that I painted. And once they're all painted, we're gonna add a layer of UV glaze onto the charms and cure them on the front and the back. And here are the final products, all nice and glazed, and look how shiny they are. We have some shiny beans here. And as I painted them, I did follow patterns that were in the Fall Guys game, and I try to use color combinations that are ones that you can find in the game itself. So it should be somewhat familiar to you, I hope. And that concludes my video. I hope you guys enjoyed the video and watching me struggle and paint, because I'm not a great painter, but still it was fun to make, and I hope you guys enjoyed it as well. Thank you all for watching, and I'll probably head off and play some Fall Guys after this.